So, quick look today at how to install this DDXL add-in, which apparently has given a lot of people no end of trouble. So what we're going to do, if you get into Momentum and you look here on the course homepage, we have a link to download the DDXL add-in. When you click on that, it'll take you to a page that looks like this. The DDXL update for Microsoft Excel 2007. If you click that link, then it will download a file which will allow you to install DDXL. Now, I think most people have gotten that far or have gotten this file off the CD. And so once you've downloaded that to your desktop or wherever it is, then what you're going to want to do is find that file, and I have it here on my desktop. So double-click Install DDXL Student. We run that file, and the thing that's getting people when you're on a computer at school a lot of times is that it's trying to install it to the C program files folder. It won't let you do that unless you have administrator access. So we hit Change, and then we click Desktop, and it's the easiest place to put it is the desktop. I'll hit OK, and then I'll hit Install. It's going to go through, you see installing the different files here. So we'll get a full list of all the different files. Well, that doesn't really matter to us though, because it's installed, that's going to be the key. Then is, how do we get Excel to find it? I think everybody's running into the problem, and I might already have it on here. But what we're going to do is run Excel. We run Excel, and then we go to the Office button. Oh, all these joyous little pesky messages. Office button, Excel options, add-ins, and then manage Excel add-ins, and we click go. And I've got the tool pack but no DDXL. So what I'll do is I'll click browse, and then under we put it on the desktop, so we'll click on desktop here on the left, double click on DDXL, and this DDXL add-in is there. It comes up and it's checked. We hit OK. Thank you for adding DDXL, and have a great night. If I can figure out how to get it to stop, then that would be good. And I will see you in class.